Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about this brand. The brand name is like Qunol, and the product is magnesium glycinate. Okay, so you should buy this supplement or not, and how to take this supplement, what are the benefits and what are the side effects, and how much time it will take to give you results. So in this video we will cover lots of information. So basically Qunol is a very popular brand, and they have good review on internet. They are approx 19 years from now, and they have very good, you can experience in this field, like related to health supplement. Okay, and this is a supplement. In this supplement you will get magnesium glycinate, which is approx like 300 mg per serving. So what are the main benefits of taking magnesium glycinate? Okay, so these are the main benefits. If you take any kind of supplement which is related to magnesium glycinate, it will increase, you can reduce your stress and anxiety level, and it will improve your sleep related sleep problem, and it will provide you muscle relaxation. It will increase your blood circulation in your body, and it will provide your health and blood pressure related problems. It will cure your these kind of problems, and it will also calm your brain. It will increase your focus, and there are so many benefits like better sleep, stress level, low stress level, body relaxation, muscle cramps, and better recovery. So you can take this supplement if you are a very active person, if you are an athlete, and if you are going to gym, then you can take this supplement. This is a very good supplement. Okay, but results will not come overnight. You have to take this supplement at least for 3 to 4 weeks, and after 3 to 4 weeks of regular use you will get some benefits, like good benefits. Okay, so these are the things. Now if we talk about like you should buy this supplement or not, yes, definitely you can take this supplement, or you can also choose some other brands which is very cost friendly according to your budget. This is not necessary. You should take this supplement. You should choose this brand supplement. You can choose any brand supplement which give you like magnesium glycinate, but this is a good brand, and the product is also good, and in my opinion the pricing is also very good. So you can take this supplement. Okay, and it will this only this one packet is enough for your in supplement need. Okay, and after completing this course, you don't need to take any other supplement, or any other extra dose of this supplement. Okay, this is enough for your body, and after when you finish this bottle, you can quit it for approx 3 to 4 months or 6 months. Then after 6 months you can again take this supplement. Okay, so these are the things. Now if we talk about how to take this supplement, basically you can take 1 tablet per day, and if you have any kind of health conditions, you can consult your healthcare professional before taking this supplement. Okay, this video is only for education purpose. Now if you have any questions, please make a comment, and bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.